In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Lemon Squeezy. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to the platform, handling your finances effectively is crucial, and I'm here to guide you through this process step by step. So let's dive right in and make sure you're able to access your funds with ease. First things first, you'll want to start by logging into your Lemon Squeezy account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy and access to a stable internet connection. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the homepage of your Lemon Squeezy account. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this page if you haven't already, as it's your central hub for all activities on the platform. Now, on the left sidebar of your screen, look for the option labeled Affiliates. This is your gateway to accessing various financial features, including withdrawals. Click on Affiliates, which will take you to a section of the platform dedicated to managing your affiliate activities and earnings. It's important to note that this section is specifically designed to help you manage and track your affiliate payments, so it will be essential for withdrawing your funds. Once you're in the affiliates section, your next step is to navigate to the Payouts area. This is where you'll be able to see all your earnings that are ready to be withdrawn. Click on Payouts, and this will bring up a list of your available payouts. Here, you can review the details of your earnings, including the amount ready to be transferred to your account. At this stage, it's crucial to ensure that your payment method is properly set up. If you haven't already done so, you may need to link your bank account or set up another payment method to facilitate the transfer of funds. Double-check that all your details are correct to avoid any delays or issues with receiving your money. Once everything is in place, you can proceed with the withdrawal. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the transfer of your funds. Depending on your bank or payment provider, the time it takes for the money to reach your account may vary, so be sure to plan accordingly. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you're able to withdraw your earnings from Lemon Squeezy without any hassle. Remember, keeping track of your finances and ensuring your payment details are up to date will make this process smooth and efficient every time. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Lemon Squeezy's support team for assistance. Thank you for watching, and happy withdrawing.